Are you looking for a rack and track solution that's quick to ship and easy to assemble? That's exactly what you'll get with Roller Rack, a pre-engineered carton flow rack solution from UNEX. Roller Rack is a flexible rack unit that can be built as a standalone bay or built in a row of continuous carton flow bays. Drop-in beams and minimal hardware makes assembling Roller Rack a breeze. Roller Rack is a rugged and durable solution designed for the toughest of applications. Backed by a 7-year warranty, Roller Rack is guaranteed to stand the test of time. Roller Rack is available in various sizes and depths and can be outfitted with either span track lanes or wheel beds for full case or split case picking. So if you're looking for big results with little lead time, look no further than Roller Rack from UNEX.